gotta tell you what we're gonna do.
Come here. He smoked. He loved smoking.
Come here.
The orange juice
Come
contained.
here.
Could have been spirit of the father.
Come here. I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do.
Drink orange juice.
Okay, do the worm.
I found this whole experience to be really fascinating.
Do the worm.
I've gone on to investigate
Do the worm. Do the worm. Do the worm.
Visions of my previous husband that he just doesn't want to leave. He just
Do the
wants to
do
be
the
right.
worm.
Do worm for Papu.
To realize that my father's spirit is still with us makes me feel really good that he's there to
Do
protect
the
us
worm.
and be
Do
there
the
for us.
worm.
I'm remarried, and I don't think my previous husband is upset with me married. I think he's our son, telling me that
This is my son, the break dancer. Nana, you do the worm for the camera.
That's okay.
All right, I'm gonna do the worm. Do the worm. Do, okay, do the worm.
Tasha, can you tell me what you see? Make her feel like
No.
Horsey.
I see a woman
No.
with a man. I
No.
couldn't believe what I
Is
saw.
that the worm or the weasel?
This is dining room, like super bright.
Do the worm.
Show Nana worm.
Do the worm.
It's just for us and it's perfect. From the #1 skin.
He never does anything when you want him to do it.
L'Oreal's new age perfect instant
Connor, do the worm for mommy.
delivers 5 beautifying actions.
He don't know how to do the worm.
5 in 1.
No, he don't
Just the
know.
right amount of coverage. Wow.
He can't do the worm.
The new skin's radiance. Hydrates
Nana's
skin,
gonna do the worm.
skin tone, protects. All I wear. New age perfect instant radiance.
Do the worm.
From L'Oreal Paris.
Do the worm. Do the
Well, that's
worm.
better, honey.
Do the worm.
You want one?
I got to move them. I got to move them.
This is Mike. Mike's being helpful.